Grabe init. Dito lang ako sa loob ng bahay. What is that name? What name? Battery acid. This one? Water. Cold water. Cesar, Medina, Arjun, give me water please. Okay, may kick ba? Sino? Your channel name. The sexy chubby mango. Stop trying to be sexy. Emily, what is your problem, huh? I'm not trying to be a sexy because I know that I am chubby. That's why my channel name is Chubby Ma'am. Ano ka high blood mo ako ang aga-aga, What's the problem of that? That's the bundle name on YouTube. It's not the channel name. Bundle, that's the bundle name. Kick mo na nga yan, Jang. Dami mong problema sa pangalan ko. You are just a hater. You know, haters, bitter people, haters is if you hate someone that did nothing to you, that means you are not happy in your life. You have a lot of bitterness in your heart. So try to be nice to someone, no? Kasi even you bash me, you're gonna stop. You will not stop me. Meeting live in YouTube. Aga-aga mo ako na high blood, Tika. Stop trying. Baka gusto mong awayin kita dyan. Dami ko pa namang gagawin. Hindi ko na nga alam kung anong uunahin ko. Tapos magalit-galit ka pa dyan. Ayan. I'm going to arrange my clothes, guys. My God. And clean my room because my room is so messy. So messy my room. Diyan ka lang. Init. Init sa Pilipinas. Grabe. It's so hot in the Philippines. Yan, we are going to swim. My husband is making DIY swimming pool. So later, after they fix it, we are going to have a party to the swimming pool, DIY swimming pool later. Hello! May barik. Ayan. Iniwan ko, hindi ko yung kilala dyan. Nakakainis yung mga ingitira dyan, no?